we're going to travel and show you the place. We have ice storm again. I hope not become worse. So let's go and see. So that's starting. The trees have an ice. That's the start. I hope it will not be getting worse. See, it's mixed. Sabi ko mag-spring na. I think it's spring already, but still become worse again. Ice. Snow.
You were all scared of ice.
Scared
Either from the sky or from the government. Ice is a big problem United States wide.
Ice is dangerous.
Yeah.
I hope it will not get worse, so the trees will not be damaged, because the trees will damage, fell down to the electric wires, and boom.
Well, if it keeps going for days, and it doesn't thaw out close,
Yeah.
we don't have the sunshine, it's overcast.
If there is the
A lot of moisture up
sunshine,
there.
okay, that's ice.
You get the bright sunlight and
Ice na. It will always rain, so that's what become more ice in the tree. But if there is
that
no
ice
rain,
storm last year killed a lot of trees that are still
yeah.
standing.
The lip last year, oh.
They'll fall over real easy this year.
And now it's a little bit like they're standing only. Here, it's the lip last year, or the ice storm. Now they're still left. They're standing only straight.
I think we're having a problem with them now.
That's much danger this, because it's the limbs last year it's cut already. So,
Well, it fell off from the ice.
but if it cannot survive for the heavy ice standing, they will be fall down whole tree. Yeah. So we pray only it will not be getting worse, so it will not be like last year. State forest, yeah.
Yeah, look at the ice on the bottom of the signs, making icicles.
Yeah. What we
That's what it
have
does on
all
the
icicles,
trees,
even in the wire,
Makes-
icicles.
Makes icicles, and then it just makes more and more weight. Ice is heavy.
Yeah,
Ice is the same weight as water,
it's heavy.
because it is water.
Yeah, it's water. Ice will be heavy. That cause the trees damage. The trees damage, the current damage. Oh, that's the worst.
Don't come and get back next week. You get
The car have an icicle. The mirror can have an icicle.
It's raining. Here it will become more ice stick on the tree. freeze because it's raining. If it's raining, then it's not freezing. It's okay, yeah.
Well, it's now.
I hope
The temperature's lower here than it was in Atlanta.
I hope it will not.
Atlanta was at 32. Here it's at 29. So. Room, we can have a bed for Finn. That bed should turn into where we can make.
The trays has become down to the road. It's become heavy. That
Here is fog and snow, rain. It look like snow. Yeah. So we are here now in our destination. See icicle on the ice there. Trees become ice. I hope will not getting worse. See. Become ice. And still raining. It's better little bit rain. That's only, guys. I just only pray and pray that will not become more worse the ice. Thank you for watching.